Hi everyone, back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your brightness is not changing, so just right to change the brightness. And I'm not getting any option right now in that section, which I'm gonna change brightness of my screen. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, be iPad. So also in the issues we're facing in your PC, maybe laptop. So how you can fix that? Just follow the steps. First step is that you just have to just restart your display driver. So just have to just press window control plus shift plus B. So just press window control shift plus B, and they're gonna update the drivers of your brightness. And after that, just follow the step 2. Step 2 is to update and restore your display driver again. So just have to just go to the section of a window, the right click, and just see the option of a device manager, and see the option of a display adapter, the right click, and see the right click and update the drivers from here. After updating your drivers, just follow the step 3, disable adaptive brightness. So just go into the control section and just go into the power option, just search and control panel, power option, and change plan settings. Just go to the change plan settings and change your advanced power settings. Just go to change advanced power settings, and we just have to just go to the display section and see the option of enable turn off display after, and also you have an option of just click on it and see that on battery 300 minutes. So make sure that you just have to just do that settings 300 minutes in the plugin 300 minutes. So make sure that you just have to just select that settings. So after that is going okay, and the first step is that you just have to just go to the disable your generic monitor. So just go to the again device manager, just right click, go to the device manager, and just go to the monitor and just right click, and gonna disable that device from here. After disabling your device, just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just follow the 5th step to update monitor or driver. Just going to again that section of the device manager and just going to again monitor section and just right click and just update the driver from here. Even you recently disabled the device, so after that you just have to update your driver from here. After updating your driver, just follow the 6th step, change your brightness from settings. So if you're not showing any option from here, you just have to just going to split, you're going to settings, going to the system and going to display section and see the option of Google. Just see that you just have to just change brightness from here and also adjust the brightness slide from here. So the 7th step is that you just have to install the latest Windows update. So just make sure that you just update the Windows. So make sure you just go to settings and just go to the update and security section and just checking that you have any update for the window or not. So after that, just restart your PC and check that your brightness control section is working properly or not. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.